this tutorial. Let's continue modeling some other detail for this electric drill. Let's zoom in just a tiny bit. We have created this hole, cutting through this section over here, and we have some vents for cooling and motor vents as shown here. As you can see it, you can add the control loop in order to make that looks a bit realistic. So let's move on to add some other sections, for example like this upper section over here. I'm gonna be adding another hole to add some realistic detail. Let's see what we should do. I think we should add another hole over here. Insert just a tiny bit. Extrude on the axis, just like this. Delete that face, hit X to delete it. Ctrl R. Add loop cut. Slide it to bottom. Ctrl R. Let's add 2 loop cuts over here. Ctrl R again. Add 2 loop cuts. Ctrl Z. Just like this. I think this will be fine. So let's see what we have. I think we have no problems with the topology. It's great until now. So let's see what we should do. Let's apply subdivision surface modifier. I think it's not bad. Tap into object mode. And we have created this amazing electric drill as shown in our tutorial. So let's take a closer look to see if we have any problems, any issues with our topology. I think it's not bad, it's pretty amazing as shown here in our tutorial. So let's continue with modeling some other parts like switch buttons and something like that. Let's add some detail like this section over here. We have some protrusions. So let's see, for example, select these two and grab them on the x-axis, just like this. Switch to face select mode, select that face, insert it just a tiny bit. Then I'm gonna be extruding inward, then hit X to delete that face. Ctrl R, let's add some control loops. Add 2 control loops. Let's see what we have. Switch to the subdivision surface modifier. So let's add some control loops. Ctrl R to add another loop cuts. I think it's not bad, so just working on those, on sliding those loop cuts. Select this, hold down Ctrl, select this vertex, then hit G twice, then drag it closer to this section. Hold down Ctrl, select that all those vertices going through this section. Hit G twice, drag it closer. Ctrl R to add another loop cut, so drag it closer to this edge. Then do it for this section also. let's see what we have. Switch to subdivision surface modifier. I think it's not bad. And we have created this amazing electric drill as shown in our tutorial. And that's it for this tutorial. See you in new tutorials about this modeling. Thanks for watching.